भारत वेंचणूक आयोगान वेंचणूक मतदार यादी निरीक्षक म्हणून नेमिल्ले संदीप जॅकिस हांणी मडगांव जिल्लो प्रशासन कार्यालयातल्या सभाघरात हाजीर रावन लोकांची गाराणी आयकून घेतली। मतदार वळेरेंत सगळ्या पात्र मतदारांची नांवां आस्पाव करप गरजेचें। कोणाकूच मतदार वळेरेंतल्यान वगळपाक जायना। हे एसआयआर प्रक्रियेचें म्हत्व आसा। हे प्रक्रिये वरवीं कोणाचेर अन्याय जावपाक दिवचे ना अशें संदीप जॅकिस हांणी सांगलें।
Whole observer, my job is to observe whatever the exercise which is going on. The issues raised by the political parties we have understood, and we will flag it to the CEO to ensure that whatever apprehensions are there to take care of.
What are the apprehensions raised?
Certain small discrepancies which are being raised, but then they are constituency specific. But that is getting addressed by the ERO itself. No issues.
We also attended on behalf of Indian National Congress, and basically we pointed out to the electoral roll observer how certain assembly constituencies are taking claims and objections. Actually, claims and objections have to be filed in Form 7, but we have seen wherein political parties are giving lists like this. Consolidated list numbering, and each BLA is giving 50, 60, even up to 78 forms are being given like this. Actually, the prescribed limit is 10 per day, but somehow the entire list is getting uploaded. So this is what we pointed out, and they said that they will keep the tab on 10. But how they are going to now justify that, we don't know.
What was the observer's response to this?
Observers respond that if a prescribed format is there, it should be uniform for all constituents. Naturally, no, you cannot give like this when there is a prescribed Form 7 to file claims and objections.